Say a lot. Oh, oops.
Five,
yeah,
6, 10,
bullish.
20. Let's fucking go, baby. All right, y'all read that shit now. Come on. Don't be bullshitting.
I should have paused it for him. Should have paused it. You made me take the other one out, man. You made me take the "We Ain't Your Mama."
Yeah, bro. I saw that one day. You
said
that
shit out.
We're not your fucking parents, okay?
We're not your parents, all right? Invest with your big boy pants on.
Invest with your own
real.
shit. Yeah, man.
Oh,
Yep. See, I cleaned up the place, right?
It looks good, man. It's like, wait a minute. Am I on my right side? What the fuck is going on here, dude?
Yeah, it's just this area, though, of the house.
No. Shit's all fucked up, man. I got to be on the other side.
If you look on that side,
you got to reverse this.
Are you... Where the fuck did you just go, bro? Oh.
we gotta reverse the windows, man.
Is that how we normally do it?
Thank God, dude.
Bro, I'm never on the left side.
You sure? I thought you were on this intro. I swear you were. It was bothering me.
Possibly.
I'm on the left side on the bottom, but when we do this view, you were on the left side.
All right, cool, man. What is up, everybody? Everybody, what is up, man? We're fucking crashing. We're tanking. I'm done. I know you're done. I don't even know why we're here, bro.
I sold.
No, seriously, man. Seriously,
sold
though.
Everything.
Yeah, dude, it's looking pretty scary out there, man. If you've been in crypto for a little while, you understand that this is normal. I know that's crazy. Like, for anybody that's new, for this to be normal, like, something's not right. But yeah, it's normal, guys. We're gonna talk about the markets. We're gonna talk about everything that's going on. Look at some charts, man. If this is your first time checking us out, subscribe to the channel, share, like, all that stuff, man, and drop a comment, dude. Like, if you want us to look at any Shaq coins, any Solana meme coins, anything like that, hell, Chainlink, XRP for all we care. If you want us to look at anything like that, just let us know in the comments. Talk with us, man. Talk with us. We love to talk to you guys. So, yeah.
Absolutely. So, just not without getting beating a dead horse, but we did call this shit. I mean, if you guys were watching us last week and watching Monday, we did call for this drop. So it's not like we were not really caught with our pants down. I mean, did you take profits yesterday, Wes?
Absolutely not.
Right,
absolutely not,
dude.
bro.
Yeah, absolutely.
I mean, is that a thing?
No,
are we supposed to take profits?
No, you're straight though, because you told me your liquidation price is so low that you're not even worried about it. So
yeah. Mm-hmm. Nah. Yeah, they are low, man. They are low. Yeah, we're all good there, man. I'm excited to look at the charts, dude. There's a few things I'm seeing there. How's the market looking, man? What's going on? Besides it being red and scary, how are we looking?
Okay, I gotta pull up a separate test. See, I don't like this Google Chrome profile. I'm still getting used to this shit.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna pull up CoinGecko just to see it, but holy test.
Let's see that gecko, man.
66,000.
Wait, what?
Holy shnikes.
66K?
Shnikes, man.
You talking about that level that we marked on the? It's not that level we were talking about on Monday, is it?
I'm
just kidding, man.
It is. But we haven't quite gone down. We haven't gone down to that 64. We haven't gone to that 64 level yet.
All right.
So we're holding. Well, actually, you know what, though? We are. Look, if you look close, we cracked below the 67. Remember, we said if we broke this 67, we might head down to 64.
It was like 66.5. It was like 66.5 and some change. So it was.
You got 200 more bucks to go.
Yeah, it was like
more,
60,
and it already hit that number once.
So we put a range. It was between 66 and 67. Gave it a little wiggle room there. But yeah, scary shit, man. Scary shit. Of course, I don't have any money on the side, you know, where I can buy at these levels. It's all gone. It's all in on let them cook.
Well,
You know,
are you in on that?
it's not a bad thing,
Bro.
dude. You know, when we talked about that on Monday, the market cap of let them cook was, I want to say it was like below 500K, dude. And then instantly, like right when we got off, like not even within 12 hours, it was past a milli, dude. It was like 1.2 million market cap. So that one cooked, man. That was a good one, guys.
Huh?
If you're holding that, congratulations. That is good. That's what I'm gonna keep adding to my bag. What's the volume and stuff look like, man? Any changes in market cap? Anything you see?
I'm gonna let you pull that out. I'm just doing the basic, support resistance. So check this out. 66.5, 66.5, 66.5. Dude.
Fit it a few times.
Might go down to 60. We might go to 64,000.
I got some stuff that could back that up. I will say that, man. I will say that.
I want to give you my simple man's. I want to give you my simple man's TA, and then you can break out the robo charts.
Holy shit!
So that's what the is going on with the colors on that, bro. I can't have my guitar looking like that with the red and the white. I mean, it looks kind of cool.
It looks purple, man. Or pink,
like red and white.
Yeah,
I like my
pink.
red, straight red. I like straight red like that underneath.
Oh, there you go, man. That's like that evil side to you. That evil
that fucking
shit.
Guitar. That guitar right there, bro. I have not played that guitar. I just bought that guitar to look at that guitar. I just love that fucking guitar, man. Yeah, she's sexy. Charvel.
Oh, man.
You want to know what sold me on it real quick? I know we'll get in the charts, y'all, but hold on one sec. Check this out. Look at the back of this motherfucker.
What? Oh, the guitar?
Look at this. I don't know if you ever seen most guitars. They don't do this. You see this slant?
Uh-huh.
That shit is sexy.
They don't do that?
No. Most guitars just go straight across.
Is it like perfectly flush?
Slant.
Nice, dude. Yeah, because most of them have like a little ridge right there or something.
Yeah, dude, she's fucking sexy. It's my Charvel, man. Just had to
Bro, if y'all haven't heard Siri play, man, like this dude is a freaking beast, man. You got a live show coming up, right? Don't you got something going on in North Carolina?
Got a live show coming up, baby.
Going to promote that shit, dude.
I'm trying to find some damn crypto peeps to come out, man. Some NFT motherfuckers to come out. I think Cheddar Bob said he's coming out. He's going to drink some mimosas with me.
Nice, dude. Mimosas.
I thought they were busting my tails, but then I read the bottom of the flyer and it said mimosas on it. I was like, why do they keep trying to play me? I said this is a whiskey bar, right? And then Andrew Saunders starts laughing under Cheddar Bob's comment, and then Hectic's like, yeah, I'm going to drink some mimosas too. I'm like, they're busting my balls. Like, what the hell? And then I read the bottom, and it said, I didn't know the owner of the venue put $5 or $4 mimosas. I was like, oh, shit. Because I thought it was just a whiskey. I didn't even know because they don't sell beer. Like, they don't carry beer.
It says whiskey bar, right? Doesn't it say whiskey bar on it?
It's a distillery. They brew, like, all right.
Why are they? Never mind.
I asked for a beer, and the dude was like, we don't have beer. And the bartender was looking at me. I'm like, wait a minute. Aren't we in a fucking bar? You don't have beer? And he's like, and he lifts this garage door open, and it's like not ghetto, y'all. It's nice. He lifts this garage door open, and it's this golden bronze fucking huge whiskey distillery. He's been brewing whiskey for 25 years. And he
not beer. He's been making whiskey.
No, dude. He brews 84 proof whiskey, and he gave me a little cup like this big and said, taste that. And, dude, it made me want to go and smack the shit out of Seagram 7 for not doing it right. And that's my drink. I've been drinking that a long time.
Yeah.
But it's so good, dude. It's the best whiskey I think I ever had. I bought a bottle.
Dude, I love my whiskey, man. You know, my granddad used to say,
you would love this shit.
He said, I love my whiskey, but I cannot drink it. And I was like, what the fuck are you talking about, granddad? I love that whiskey, but I cannot drink it. I cannot drink it.
That's pretty good.
Okay. All right. I guess, you know, those Irish genes come out of him.
Oh, boy.
It's crazy and shit.
I'll let you pull up the robo charts, man. Let's lay it on me, brother. Are we going
to do it
64? Now? Yeah, let's see what you're going, man. Let's stop teasing the people. They come for TA. Let's give it to them.
All right. What y'all want to look at? Huh? Nah, dude, it's been fucking boring, man. Boring as shit, dude. This is the Bitcoin daily chart. You know, I had all this like planned out in my head, like how I'm gonna walk through it and what I'm gonna talk about, but like blank instantly as soon as I pull the chart up, blanks. No,
Bro,
go ahead,
hey,
man.
real quick. It just said when I clicked on this thing, it said I opened Twitter. It said, "Do you want to join Crypto Remora Live?" And I click join, and then it opens a little window up, and it does have a chat. Tell me if you could see this, yo. See if you could see that. Oh yeah, it does.
Dude.
It shows up. Oh,
Yeah, I
that's
can see it.
badass. That is
Shut
cool as
up,
shit.
man.
All right, so we got 11 of y'all watching, man. Somebody type something in the damn chat.
Put something in the chat.
Come on, man.
Put something in there,
I
man.
got my
Put
weed,
something
I
in
got
there.
my bone, man.
Everybody's bored, man. Everybody's fucking bored, dude.
That's
we
all
get
right,
it, man. We get it.
Share,
I think we're
share
about
your
to have.
screen and we'll go. If you guys are feeling it, man, just shout out in the comments what you want us to look at.
All right, you think we got enough people here, man, to go over it?
Oh, we're
You want to jump
golden,
into
bro.
it?
We're golden.
Say fuck it.
Sanko penises, dude.
We are the Sanko penises. All right. Together, strong. All right, y'all. Let's do this, man. Let's do this. Let's do this, man. Let's look at some penises here. All right. So, anyways, can you see this, Siri?
Post this. Share.
All
Yeah,
right,
I can
12.
see it.
Okay, come on.
Yeah, blow it up, man. Blow
Y'all
it
come
up
on in, man. Come on in. I got some shit for your ass.
I almost reported our broadcast. I don't want to do that. I want to copy link. Oh no, I don't want to copy. I want to post it. Okay, there we go.
Let's
Jump
do
in
that.
The chat, peeps. Yeah, I'm ready.
Let's
for
do
you.
that. All right, dude. Let's roll, man. Let's roll.
Let's
All right, so this is the daily on Bitcoin, guys. Last week we were talking about this. Let me move this out the way. We were talking about this ascending trend line right here, the support level that we've been, a couple times we've hit on it. The good thing about the support level is that it was going up, right? And we were following it perfectly, man. Just kept bouncing off of it. Unfortunately, this is where we called it, and we said after we hit this top again up here, this is where we said, all right, if we fall back down, which we knew we were going to do, we're going to have that little retracement. And we said, if we don't hold this level up, we're going to fall through it. That's when we fell through it. And then now we're sitting on this level right here, which is, consolidating within this parallel channel, which is a good thing, right? It's good that we're holding up this level. This right here is also a high volume level. What is this? That's not what I want. All right, so that is also a high volume level right here as well. If I can pull this. Oh, I got it right here. Cool.
VPVR.
Yeah,
whatever,
it's right here.
side.
So
that is a nice level, dude. We might hold. Maybe we hold here, huh? Maybe.
Well, it's kind of like one of those hidden areas, man, where So we've had this has been a high volume high volume level for about a month now, and it's been holding up, dude. So we've got a lot of support there, man. So I do like this level. The question is do we stay within this parallel channel? What is next, right? That's what everybody wants to know, obviously. So the first thing that kind of stands out to me, man, is that we're making a higher high or higher lows, higher highs, higher high, higher high. Now we've hit this right here, and we've kind of put in this double top, and we are about to break below this last higher low. So if we fall below this, we're looking about 64K. Like, isn't that what we said, Siri?
That's
Isn't
what we've been
like
saying, bro.
Fibonacci level. So we're looking at 64K. If we fall through this level, everything hangs on the balance of this close right here. We need to stay above this. If not, we're going down, man. And if we can get back up here and make a higher high, like, great. That's what we need to do, right? And that's why I had this trend line on right here, because you can kind of take this, man, and it's almost like still intact, right? You're just doing it from the candle bodies. So as long as we can hold that up, man, I think we're still good. So it's just
move the lines, y'all. Listen, if it don't work,
if it don't work,
just
move the
the
lines,
shit.
man.
Just move it. That's the good thing about TA.
That's what we do, man. Just move the fucking lines, man. Move the lines. So 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 we got this going on right here. Something that I noticed is, let me get this out the way. Something that I noticed is it's kind of similar to what we did on this side.
Yeah.
Yeah, if you can see that. And then we had this drop down right
Oh,
right.
damn it. You got me on that shit.
Oh, sorry, man. I couldn't
You
help.
got me on that
So,
shit.
yeah, so it's looking
Right
like
there.
similar to up here, right?
It's in,
The good thing
Adam and
is that
Eve pattern.
that's what I was getting at, dude. That's what I was getting at. Look, you saw it, man. You saw it. So, like right now, man, I heard you mention this the other day, man. This could possibly be a cup and handle, just one big ass handle right here,
Yeah.
and we could very well go up. You know what I mean? So we're watching this. Everything falls in this area right here. All right. So we got a possible cup and handle on the daily, and let's see here. All right, so was I clear about that, dude? I don't ever know if like I was clear with that.
No,
So,
you were totally clear about that. I mean,
so we're still in this uptrend.
Yeah.
I just want to make sure I'm giving kind of what happened and what we can expect to happen. So yeah, we're still in this little parallel channel. Now if you go down here to the momentum indicator, we do have the momentum indicator falling down. So I'm expecting kind of like we've got to correct sometime, man. Like this is dropping pretty fast. And something else that I noticed while we're talking about it is we've got a low here and a high here on the price. And if this comes down, if the price does come down a little bit more, which I kind of think, we might have a little wick down, but if it does, we could be putting in a possible some bullish divergence as well too. So just because we drop out of this zone doesn't mean like it's all over, crypto's dead, like we're done. No, it could be healthy, man. Like we don't want to go up too fast. You know what I mean? So consolidation is not a bad thing. If we fall out of this and we get some bullish divergence, that could be a good thing too. And we're going to continue on this second trend line right here, making higher lows. MACD, man, still the same on the MACD, man. We're still bearish on the MACD, but it does look like if all this stuff plays out, we could very well flip. Something that Jeb posted, kind of pointed out in his show today is we could be forming this this right shoulder here as well,
inverse head and shoulders
on the 3-day. Let me reset this. And
that's an inverse head and shoulders, bro.
Yeah, inverse. That's what I meant. Yeah. So we could, and that's a bullish, guys. If you don't know that, that's bullish, right? So even if it does, you see how we had this wick right here on that side. Even if we do get a wick down here,
wow,
like I'm not worried about that, man. Let's just stay above the top for this right shoulder. As long as we stay above this bottom or the top of that parallel channel and we wick down and stay up, then I'm still good, dude. You know what I mean? Just because we lose that parallel channel doesn't mean much. If we do go to 64, I mean, we're still intact, dude.
No, that looks good, Wes. Real quick, just let me share this real quick. I want to show you something.
Yeah.
Keep your screen up, though. Don't take it down. I'm going to share this screen real quick. As you were doing that, I just noticed this too. Check this out. On the weekly, bro. Look at this shit.
Okay.
Look at this. Remember we measured this remember we measured this flagpole here, and then we extrapolated here, and that's how we got our price target up here?
Mm-hmm.
Look where we bounced, bro. I'm going to zoom in. Look at this. Look where we hit. Boom.
Wait, I mean, which one is this?
This is the weekly Bitcoin.
Oh, wow.
This is Bitcoin. So remember how we measured the flagpole, right? Extrapolate there. Look at this flag. We broke out of the flagpole and testing it for support. So
yeah,
even if we fall down to that, I'll go as low as say 61, bro. Let's say they get crazy and they want to go nuts and drop us from 64. Say we fall below that for a minute down to 61. World War III, whatever news comes out. But look at the continuation, sideways, and then we're still on trajectory. I just wanted to show you that. That's the weekly. Yeah. It lines up with your inverse head and shoulders you just showed. That's why I wanted to show that. Let me pull this down. Share your screen back because that's all I wanted to show you real quick. But yeah, keep going.
Okay. So yeah, and that's on the 3-day, man. This is actually the first time I've really messed with the 3-day. So even if we do come down and we get that little wick, like kind of what happened here, like, dude, we're good, man. Everybody chill the fuck out, man. Everything's good, right? Yeah. And what else was I gonna do here? Yeah. So yeah, that is that.
And that wick could go to 61 and it would still bounce perfectly at the top of your box right there. So my weekly chart, your 3-day chart is both showing a potential wick down to 61. But when we say wick, it could be for a couple hours, y'all. We're not talking about it's good.
Yeah, this is the 3-day chart. So one of these candles is a 3-day time period. So you know what I mean? So this for 3 days here, it opened up right here at the bottom of that candle right here. And then it wicked down, but then came up. Wait, is that right, Siri? And it closed at the top.
Yeah, if it's a 3-day candle, it opened at the top, it went down, and then it wicked.
And it closed at the bottom, right?
Yep.
Okay.
But it went as low as the bottom of that wick.
Yeah.
Yep.
Yeah. So yeah, man, like we're still intact for that, man. So that is good.
Good chart though, bro. I know everyone's bearish right now, and I know we're saying 61, but don't get it twisted, y'all. Measure that. Can you measure that head to chest line that for that breakout target? Yeah. Can you measure that and show the people where that should break out? If that's an inverse head and shoulders, you go to the middle of the head to the top of the to the bottom of the yeah. Extrapolate that bad boy and show us the price target.
Well, if we broke out from the bottom of that parallel channel,
if we break out from the
I mean, we're going,
it's 84, bro.
Yeah,
it's 84,000 again, isn't it?
Yeah, it's between 82 and 84.
Now go to the top of
86.
Go up there, 86.
Yeah. All right, yeah, we're moving shit, man. Like we're gonna make it. No, but seriously, like,
so we're going to 61 or we're going to 84. There's no in between anymore, people.
That's all you need, guys. That's it. So. Yeah, go get a second mortgage.
Everything.
No, but yeah, that's something as well. And what was I about to do?
Don't long it all, y'all. I was just talking shit. Read the disclaimer in the beginning of the video, please.
I just moved my line.
Good price target for that, though.
Oh no, there was something else I was gonna do.
You know when Chico and Zombie aren't even making videos, that is boring as hell. They're like, they won't even put a video out for a week and a half. I'm sitting here like waiting for a video. Like, come on, Chico. Chico ain't put a video out in a month.
I know what I was gonna do. I did want to just point out this regression trend, this regression channel as well. So we've had one deviation out of this. I don't know, slightly two. There's one here at the bottom and one at the top. But for the most part, like this is, it lines up kind of with this yellow trend line here down at the bottom. But this is the overall trend for Bitcoin. Like we're still in an upwards trajectory. You know what I mean? It just feels like super bearish because we've dropped a little bit, man. Like we went, from 70. What was the last local high? 71.5, 72.
Still not cracking that 72 level.
We're only down to 67,000, dude. Like this is a normal retracement. Let's see what the retracement is actually. I want to see, man. Let's see what everybody's panicking about here. So let's just do this to there. To where we're at now. It's a 7% drop, dude. 7% drop.
Like 5 minutes back in 2020. Back in my day. Bitcoin.
Yeah. 7% drop. So like that's not bad at all, man. Not bad at all, dude. And let me do this here. Something that I noticed because this is a new tool, man, that I found. And you've seen it before. And I do think it is a cool tool. Cool tool. All right, so it's this. What is this? I just been fucking around on this, man. Oh, Bollinger Bands as well, too. I wanted to point that out.
Are they tightening?
Yeah, they are tightening. They are. But this Super Guppy. Wait, is that the one I wanted? Yeah, this is the one that we see Zombie use all the time.
Yeah, dude, the Super Guppy.
The Super Guppy. So the Super Guppy,
awesome.
man. This is
Hell
on. Yeah, this is on.
Dude, that's a dope.
Weekly.
That is a dope freaking. Tool,
Isn't
man.
it?
That Super Guppy's badass. Gives
It
it
really-
that 3D look. I love that.
It really is, dude. I love it too, man. I just started playing around with it. Let's see.
We don't have, just so you guys know, we don't have any sponsors. Lux Algo. Excuse me. I had something in my crazy.
Sprite. Geek bars. No, but yeah. But so like we are still in this green. It looks like we're trying to come out of that green.
Yeah.
which isn't anything abnormal. You know what I mean? Like barely starting to come out. Um, so what was the whole point of me pulling that up? I think I just wanted to show off that like I
You want
found
to
it.
show off the super guppy? We
I
have
found
no
it.
idea how it actually works,
I have
y'all.
no
It
fucking
just
clue what it does.
it's got too
There's a
many fucking
green and a
lines.
red. So I know green
Too
is
many
bullish.
lines on the super guppy. It's probably, you know what it probably is like
But
different stochastic, like the
yeah,
different
but
time
so
frames
it's
and
like
shit.
moving averages or something, and
Yeah.
then like
Yeah.
when it flips like it did here, that's good. When it flips, that's good. So like this right here, I honestly, man, I believe is like us being right here. You know what I mean? We had this coming after we bottomed. What happened back here? We had this after we bottomed, came into the gray, and then we hit that green. Came into the gray, we hit that green. Now this could be early, like an early deal, man. You know what I mean? We could go into because like it's kind of scary because it almost looks like
So
this.
even if it flips red, look, all right, if you go green, gray, red, right? So let's just take that first pattern, double top ish. The second top's a little higher, right?
Mhm.
So what? We do that. Guess what? Guess what that red line comes back down to? Between $64,000 and $61,000 yet again.
Mm-hmm.
All lines are lining up. We keep seeing that level, so that if we do fall below 64, did you see what I mean? Like you see
Yeah.
how that's kind of
Mhm.
drastic wave, and then it comes up.
Yeah.
Now it's starting to curve. See where they're starting to curve?
Yeah.
So let's say it starts to curve a little bit, just like it did last time. Okay, 61,000, right? I mean, look at the bottom
Mhm.
of that green. It's 61, right? Yeah.
Yeah. The bottom of the green. Yeah. 61. Yeah. About 61. So, I mean, yeah, dude, if we can, let me look at this on the,
I don't know though, because those numbers on the right are actually changing when you move that. See, I'm looking at the bottom of that gray box on your right, but then your numbers are
oh,
changing.
yeah. Yeah. Those are like all of the different moving averages in there.
Oh, that's all the averages for the super guppy.
Yeah. For the
Maybe.
super guppy. So I think it's like not good when these like completely, they all flip. And it's almost like it does like a funnel, like a full flip,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
And that's not the case, man. So we'd have to come back like majorly for that thing to flip all the way.
Oh, I see
So
what you're saying.
yeah,
Yeah, I
so
got
that's
you.
something I'm watching, man. We did get a green dot on the weekly here. And smart money flow is still green, dude. Momentum starting to head back up.
No buy
Uh,
signal, no sell, no buy signal, nothing.
um, yeah, I haven't even cut that on. Let me get this super guppy off, man. I need to do some more digging on super guppy, but I wanted to show you that I found it and that, yeah, yeah.
No, I
So
love the 3D part of it
yeah, it is cool, man. It is cool.
because it gives you another view rather than just looking at the flat.
Yeah.
What the fuck is that?
So Lux Algo, man, Lux Algo. Let's see what Lux Algo is in. So this is the Bollinger Bands on the daily. Let me point this out before we move on here. All right. So get that
What do
off
you
the
think about
screen.
Web3 war? Mario Brett Foob says crypto party. What do you think about Web3 war?
Web3 war. Oh, is that a question from the?
Yeah, we got a question from the chat. It could be
Nice,
from
dude.
X.
Nice.
Yep.
Yeah,
So
well, we'll check it out, dude.
Mario Brett Fub crypto party. Let's go.
Yeah,
How
well,
about
we'll
that?
we'll definitely check that out. So Bollinger Bands, man, we're hitting the bottom of that Bollinger Band, and you can see they're starting to get tight. So usually that signifies a move coming soon. So that is a good thing, man. But yeah, I think that's really all I got. Oh, there's signals and overlays. All right, so signals and overlays. We are still in a buy, under the buy order. And I mean, honestly, dude, like that technically, man, technically, I don't know, maybe not. I was about to make it work, but I mean, it's pretty. It's almost a bull flag, dude. You have this sideways parallel channel, and then this move up, right?
I mean, it's hard to say. I mean, because of the flagpole all the way to the left is so damn crooked. That's the only thing I don't like about it.
But either way, I mean, either way, dude. No matter how you put it out there, like it's we're looking at targets above 80, 85, and then again, like I said on Monday, man, 95 cool off, major cool off at 95 because there's going to be a lot of sell orders at 95. What was the token, dude? What did he want to look at?
It says, what do you think about Web3 war? First of all, and I'm not sure what that is. If you have a token address, copy paste it in the chat for us. Just paste a token address, and we'll look it up on Deck Screener or something for you. And then it says crypto party, which could mean any damn thing. But it looks like PayPay, crypto party. We'll take it. But yeah, the question itself is, what do you think about Web3 war? And I'm not sure I've ever heard of that.
I haven't either.
Could potentially be our first spammer, shilling stuff. We would celebrate
I'll take
that
it.
for real.
I'll take it.
Feel free. Come on in and spam until we get like Crypto Czars to be like, I'm going to have to put you on timeout. I'm going to put you on timeout.
I really wish this didn't reset because it's not how I like it.
While you're doing that, I want to just read off some numbers here for everybody. Listen, if you're just tuning in, make sure you smash the like, smash the subscribe button, do all that good stuff. But I want to read off the numbers if you're just listening and not watching. So you got Boop down on Arbitrum, down 31%, is the hardest crashed one right now. So if you're into Boop and you want a DCA, that would be a good buy zone. I of course, do everything backwards. I look at everything that's down the most to see what I want to buy. I personally do not hold any more Boop, but it is still a strong project. 31.9% is a pretty good cool off, but it looks like it's getting a bounce. So if you are into Boop and you want a DCA, that would be a good one. That is on sale right now. Also, you've got DMT, not down as much as I would want it, but it's at 134. It's been holding at 135, pretty solid. Small coin down 10%. Let's see, Boner's down 5%. Arbitrum's under $1. It's sitting at 93 cents. DMT, like I said, 134. GMX is at 33. And Zelaboba token is at 9 zeros and down less than 1%. Holding fairly well. And yeah, so that's Arbitrum. Aptos is around $7. Say coins at 45 cents. And Solana, bro. Where's Solana at?
Solana?
Yeah, where's Solana at?
147, dude. 147.
Take it.
Remember when we were talking when I said something about it being compared to Bitcoin, the Bitcoin Solana chart?
Dude,
it'll look nasty.
Soul Chat's at fucking $2.70. That thing got brutalized, man. Soul Chat got murdered. What the hell is going on? Oh, but you know what? I do like the pattern on it.
Ooh.
Let me pull this up. Can I pull this up, or are you in the middle sharing something?
No, but I do want to point out. Yeah, go ahead and pull it up, dude. Ethereum just.
No, if you got yours ready, go ahead. I'm gonna wait. I'll pull this up after you.
I just wanted to point out Ethereum.
Yeah. Let's look at it.
Oof. Okay, all right. This is a lot of mixed shit. I do want to just go over this real quick. Ethereum on the daily just printed a red sell signal, but we do have the trend tracer right here still in the green. We have the trend catcher right here in the blue. That's still bullish. Money flow still green. Momentum is way down. We could be looking at a reversal soon. Probably around like 33. 33, I'm going to say. That the target on the sell signal's at 31.80, but I think we come down here to this catcher about 33 before we start heading back up. I just wanted to point that out. That's it.
So that trend catcher, the first time it hit that, it fell through it and then continued into a falling wedge, and then it led up to a breakout, right?
Yeah.
And now you're forming like this weird candy cane pattern on ETH. Look at that. It's like a candy cane, right?
Yeah. Yeah, that was the Bart Simpson we were talking about, I think, coming up.
It's a Bart Simpson that just ain't finished, and we go back down. I don't know. That could go either way. Like you said, it could come down to that 33 level.
Mm-hmm.
and then continue to run up. It's just, I don't know. That all depends on Bitcoin, I think. Like that's gonna be decided on, I think, mainly if Bitcoin goes down to 64 again, or if she goes down to 64, then you'll see
Yeah.
ETH come down, possibly touch on the top of that lower box. That would be a hell of a fall, though, right? That's down to 3,000, or where is
Yeah, that would be a big drop, dude.
Ouch. That would be
Yeah,
a big drop.
Does look kind of scary.
That's where
Looks a
your
little scary,
liquidation is. That where your liquidation's at? 3,000?
Yeah, mine is right at this order block.
You better pull that some. You don't want to see
I
a wick
know.
down there.
No, I'll add to my collateral, man,
add
if I
some.
have to. Like at this point, I might as well ride it out. You know what I mean?
Well. Just take the pain. Just take
It's
it.
all good, man. It's all good.
All right. So
All
this
good.
is interesting because here's another theory that I've learned messing with crypto. Check this out. So if you're watching Bitcoin too much and you get tunnel vision, or if you're watching ETH and you just pull up the charts till you're blue in the face, it's always good to go swimming into the lower caps, like Solana, like Arbitrum, like whatever. Because what they almost do is, because they copy Bitcoin and ETH so much, they're almost like a zoomed in microscopic version of Bitcoin, right? Because if Bitcoin does a move like that, what does Solana do? It doesn't move like that. What does ETH do? Everything follows Bitcoin. So when you're looking at these other lower cap coins, it can sometimes give you a feeling for what Bitcoin is doing, but like more zoomed in because it's a lower cap coin. I don't know if that makes sense, but
Yeah.
what I'm saying is, see this Soul Chat dump had a falling wedge, and then this thing is just doing that controlled fall. I mean, I'm hoping that it gets this breakout.
Yeah.
And I think it will, but it's breaking this level here. This is Soul Chat for you guys wondering. Looking pretty bad right now, but if you see this algorithmic drop, it's just almost like, it's not like a drop. It's like a controlled drop, like, right? Like people are buying, it's fall, buy.
That's
like
definitely controlled.
Somebody is buying this on the way down.
100%.
You
Dude,
see those
that is
steps
controlled.
like that. So my theory of that is, you still kind of have a falling wedge here. You could always just
flat bottom, but didn't it just fall out that bottom right there though? Or
it did. But like we said, if your TA isn't working for you, just move the lines.
Just move the freaking charts, guys. It's that easy.
Just move the lines to fit your narrative, okay? This is your world, all right? The reality is just, don't worry about reality. Move the lines to suit your needs.
That's what we do, dude.
Down dog with hat 10%, when down 10%, dude. Real quick, Ethereum, Pepe down 10%. NPC, dude. Let me jump on NPC real quick. So this is what NPC is doing. You were waiting for, look at it, 200 million.
Oh,
damn, dude. 3 cents, bro.
Look at that volume too.
Look at this. Look at this. Oh,
look at that volume, dude.
God,
oh
dude.
my god,
almost 3
dude.
cents. Almost 3 cents. But no, this thing. I'm so glad I did not sell this fucking thing. Because, bro, every time I want to say I'm going to sell and then try to get back into it, it's like, chill, bro. It's already doubled. 200 million market cap. It was at 100 million last week.
Yep. Dude, we've been getting some. Yeah, dude, we've been getting some cookers on here, man.
This thing is just.
We've been talking about some good projects, dude.
Yeah, NPC is a good hold for me. I was lucky enough to pull the trigger on it.
I still like GPU, also, man.
Let's look at the one that I've been waiting on. Remember, I had the hand up from last week. Wojak. Let's see where she's. Oh!
Let's go, dude. Let's fucking go, baby.
Look at that, bro. I gotta fucking go in. I said I was gonna go in if it hit, and look at that.
Buy you some more, man.
Bro.
Where we at? 77 million.
Boop, boop. She hit. I got to enter back in now because I sold the top here. I said if it comes down here, I'm getting back in. Look at how it bounces right here, dude. Look at this. It's like wick down here, and then it's like, nope.
Yeah,
boom. Like, I'm a little bit off on the price target, but, dude.
It just matters where it closes, man. Where it closes,
came right
that's
back
what I
down.
want to see.
That's what I'm saying, dude. Like, I need to freaking... All right, we're going to have to wrap this up. Oh. I'm going to have to get on ETH.
I found Web3 War, too.
Did you?
I
Let's get
did.
that from Mario. Is it a
I,
shill?
it's a game, I think, dude. Mario,
All
it's a
right.
game, right?
Mario, let us know.
Yeah,
Is
Mario.
the, make
But
sure
it
we
looks
got the
dope,
right one.
dude. You would like this, man. You would like this.
Let's see. I'm going to share your screen in a second. Just make sure. Oh yeah,
I wanna see
Node. Well, let's look at Node real quick. Then we'll
Yeah, go
check
ahead,
out
man.
Mario's coin
Yeah.
for sure. So Node, did you ever get into this one or no?
No, dude.
Well,
No.
I tell you what, buddy. I
I
tell you
know.
what. You ain't
Yeah.
getting much a better entry if you want to.
No, that's perfect, dude.
I
That's
mean, if you
perfect.
get in right now on Node, for you guys just tuning in or you guys just watching right now, Node is a newer type AI coin, kind of like Render, where you share GPU processing power.
And it's
But
under 100 million, dude.
this one is brand new still, bro. This one's still early, and I think for the AI hype cycle to really take off, this is gonna be, I don't know. I don't want to say this is going to be the one because you never know, but I am looking for this price target up here. I'm looking for it to hit $3.64 just from my 5-minute TA of extrapolating from here to
What
here. That's how I
what's it at
got it.
now?
There's no rocket science to it, guys. This is how I got that. Okay, I measured this breakout from here. I moved it over here. It's I don't do crazy shit. I keep
50%
TA
down
very
and
simple.
measure it. Yeah.
And then I measure the length and the height, like a steps. And I just do that for everything I do. It's called 5-minute TA. And you know what?
It's called
It might
5
not-
minutes. TA.
It might not be
I
right all the
love
time.
it.
It might not be right all the time. But dude, I'm gonna tell you what, bro. You saw those last two calls, and they work.
They've hit.
Shit works.
Yeah, they've hit.
Not all the time, but I got about a 60-40% hit on my targets, which is all you can ask for with TA.
It works if you work it. It works.
Keep
if you
coming
work
back. It works if you work it. So I'm gonna pull your screen up. Did you got the game up?
Yeah.
Let's see what it is, man.
Let me get this
Let's
off.
see what you
quick.
got. Oh, get that Pornhub off there. There you go. Yeah, you can have that.
All right, Mario, this is for you, buddy. Let's see. This looks dope, dude. I think you would really like this, man. I'm actually offended by my own background here. How do I? Oh, let me put that down. Let's see. How do I put it in dark mode, dude?
I don't know. It's burning my eyes.
I don't know if I want to click on that. I don't want to show anything.
Well, and that's the thing. Chico was saying too. He was like, "I'm not clicking on links, guys," because I guess he got shammed in the chat before, where they got shadow banned. He got
No, this
in
isn't
trouble,
clicking on
clicked
anything. So this is Web3 War, free to play, competitive, first-person shooter, available on Windows. Battle for supremacy. Prove your skill. Built by Rolling Thunders, Zilliqa blockchain. Okay, all right. Yeah, I'm not going to go to the website or anything, but I will scroll through real quick, man. It does look kind of dope. You've been looking at the FPS. I wonder what's on the blockchain, though. Like, what do they have this actually on the blockchain here? You know what I mean? Like, is it just a token on the blockchain, or the in-item games? Are they going to be on the blockchain? NFTs? But it's an FPS, man. There's a little video right here.
That looks pretty sweet. Looks like shrapnel a little bit.
Yeah.
I've been waiting for that for the fighting and the FPS games. There's only two that I really like to play.
Yeah, it looks kind of dope, dude. It looks kind of dope. But again, man, I would like to kind of, I don't know, see. It looks dope. Mario, it looks dope, man. It looks cool. How do I stop sharing?
There you go. Drop in real quick on liquidity pools on Sanko just to do an update. See where we're at. You guys tune in every week. So Sanko, that same little itty bitty. Well, okay, so we're up a little bit because the gold DMT went up a little bit since we put in. Got some rewards cooking. Not bad. Not the greatest in the world, but not hideous. We'll take that. almost $6. On $90, just sitting there. I mean, 105%. Who wants that, right? Nobody needs that. So that's gold and DMT. Those are both Sanko coins. Pretty sweet. Pretty sweet. Um, and on Camelot, I'm gonna switch back over to Arbitrum. I got another pool going, and we'll see where that one's at. If you guys don't use Camelot on Arbitrum, I don't know what the hell you're using for liquidity pools because it's just the easiest. I don't want to say the easiest, but I don't know. I've just been using it for a while. I really like it. Let's look at the pool that you can see this number here, 494. Once it loads, it should refresh it. Bam! There it is, 615. So just since our last show, it's went up almost $2 in rewards, just cooking. On you're talking $20 here and $60 in the other pool, I think total. This is not any big amount of money, y'all. This is very small money. 61 right here. So 60 and 20, that's what, $80? So on $80, you're earning on $80
battery.
You're earning $6.15 in what, a couple weeks. So if you're not into trading, this is another really cool way to do things. If you got coins, you're already holding them. Like you got USDC, you got ETH, you're holding them. Just freaking stick them in a pool, especially if you're not trying to trade. Like, why not sit there and reap these rewards, right? And then you could take that money that's just sitting there in this, take those rewards, you could click harvest and right here, harvest right there, 494, you hit harvest and it puts it right in your wallet. And if you're doing all this on Arbitrum, it's going to cost you a penny, 2 cents, 3 cents. So again, if you got $60 or $80 worth of Ethereum and it's just sitting on your freaking Coinbase wallet, send it over to Arbitrum, right? Look at this. I'm earning DMT right now, too. I'm earning DMT and USDC. I'll take that. I mean, put that DMT in my wallet, right? You guys should totally be looking at this as an alternative or as an addition to your trading. It's a very easy way to earn some sweet yield on your coins you're already holding. And, so I just harvested, Wes. Just so you know, I'm going to clear these harvest out so we start again so that next week people could see how fast it grows. So I'm going to start at 0 now. And we'll check in on Monday or Thursday next week just with the same 60 or $20, whatever, $80 total. And so you guys could see, if you tune in every week, you can see how fast it grows. Look at this. Arbitrum fees, 2 cents. 2 cents to harvest. So if you're only putting $2 profit in your pocket, it costs you 2 cents to do it.
Right. Right.
All right. So you good? I'm going to pull up the double screen and remove this. I was just lecturing everybody on how that's a good way to, put your yield to work. But yeah, we'll check back in next week with that. All right. We're going to pull up some of the topics, main stories here.
Yeah. I have them. I don't really have anything sent in the in the alpha chat. I slacked off this time. But
no, you didn't.
I do have a bunch of shit.
Bookmark. You got top 10 exchange wallets.
Not
Shiba Inu.
Yeah, that's one that I posted. We can pull that one up, dude.
Yeah,
we can pull that one up. I'm gonna share something now.
That's the beauty of being our own boss here with the show. We do what we want. You want me to share the screen? I got it pulled up. I got that post pulled up.
Yeah, go ahead. Yeah, you're good. You got it posted.
All right, so I'll let you narrate this one here. Well, I got it pulled up, the sentiment.
Oh, what are we doing?
Top 10 exchange wallets. You shared this earlier, right?
Oh yeah, dude. I wanted to talk about this. So let me pull it up on my side too. It's a little. All right, so this is what the I guess the biggest exchanges, Coinbase and Crypto.com, Binance. This is what they're holding. The top 10 exchange wallets, like in Ethereum networks, Shiba Inu, Chainlink, and Ethereum networks, respectively, since May 27th, have shrunk by 2.4% on Shiba Inu, 2.9% on Chainlink, 8.6% on Ethereum. So this is a good thing, man. They're saying it's a good thing because the more supply that leaves the exchanges, that means the more that people are buying and they're wanting to hold for the long term. And then like when they put it back on the exchange, that means they're selling. They're selling back to the exchanges. So yeah, I mean, I just thought that was interesting, man. And then they got this nice little chart here. But how do you feel about these 3 tokens, man? These 3 tokens. If you had to pick, you had to marry, or kill one, all of them. What would you do, man? What would you do here? Just for a little fun.
I'd
You
marry
marry.
I'd marry ETH. I'd Chainlink, and I'd kill Shiba. But that's not to say to my Shibu Inu holders out
Okay.
there, I love y'all because my buddy, I got him into crypto, and he bought Shiba Inu, and he went all in on Shiba Inu. Even after I told him, I
It's
said
funny because that's how he said it. Shibu.
Shiba Inu. And I said, man, don't do it, man. Buy some Bitcoin, buy some Ethereum, get your portfolio right, get your money right. Don't just go on. And what did he do? He FTX happened, and he got devastated. You know, Shiba got crushed.
Yeah, dude. Yeah.
So I don't know, man. I'm all for the meme coins. I'm all for Shiba Inu, but I mean, if you're asking me out of those 3, I'm gonna pick ETH number 1, Chainlink number 2, and the only reason I'm picking Chainlink number 2 is not because of utility, because they're both. I mean, ETH wouldn't work without Chainlink, and Chainlink wouldn't have a job if it weren't for ETH. So they both kind of need each other, right? ETH and
Yeah.
Chainlink both need each other. Period. But ETH being deflationary, I mean, ETH. I mean, what are you gonna do, dude? ETH was my first. That was my first love, man. I sold everything and went into ETH. So ETH is always going to be my first love, my high school sweetheart. But yeah, I would definitely, you know, if you had $1,000 and you were buying to hold, not to trade. Let's say you were just buying to hold. I would spend 100 on Shiba Inu. I would spend like 700 on ETH and 200 on Chainlink. Like that's probably how I would break $1,000 down. Maybe
All
even
right.
more. Maybe even more Chainlink. Like maybe I would have 600 ETH, 300 Chainlink, and then 100 Shiba Inu for a starting portfolio for somebody. Absolutely,
Yeah. Okay. I
that's where
guess
I
it
would
depends
start.
on the goals here. So
It does. It's what are your goals?
I would probably marry ETH. I'd probably fuck Shiba Inu.
Well, you can't whisper it and say it, dude. You're like, that, you did it right the first time. You're like, I'd probably yeah. Well, you can't say I'd probably and say it.
All right, I'd probably
Just,
bang Shiba Inu. Bang is not good.
no, that's fine.
Okay.
I mean,
All right,
hell,
all right.
Liam ain't home. Shit. I mean, we got 20 watchers in the chat. These are all diehard.
I
Oh,
hope
we
you're
got
not
2.
watching.
We got 2 on YouTube, bro. I'll take them. Shout
I'll
out to
take
the
that, man.
YouTube. Shout out to the YouTube viewers.
Shout out to
hanging
the
in
2
there.
bots watching from YouTube.
No, those ain't bots. Those are real deal. That's
man.
Joe and Colleen. I got them on watching in the TV in the other room.
Shut up. One's from my phone and one's from your phone, probably.
That's it.
Nah, I'm just kidding.
Logged in under 4 different accounts. Smashing the likes.
All right, so yeah, man. I don't know, man. That's a tough one, dude. That's a tough one. But I'm looking for a long-term relationship for Ethereum or Chainlink.
Oh, absolutely.
Yeah, I'm looking for a long-term relationship, man. You know? Like, it's almost one of those things, man. Like, you can't have ETH without Chainlink. Like, Chainlink is a must, dude. You gotta have Chainlink, right? I don't know, man. I thought it was pretty interesting. Guys, let us know what you think in the chat.
Oh, let's pull this up now because this is a little side note because I know you guys get a little bit bored. You can only look at so much fucking TA, bro, until you're like, all right, what the hell? So this is another interesting thing going on. U.S. is chasing a nuclear Russian submarine near Florida. 2 U.S. Navy destroyers are following a group of Russian vessels that came within 66 miles of Florida on the way to Cuba last night. Analysts believe Russia is strategically sending a warning to the U.S. after NATO gave Ukraine the green light, blah, blah, blah. Okay, so this guy, Mario Naval,
Naval, yeah.
I hear a lot of people talking about him. They've turned him into a meme. NPC token made a meme out of him and shit. So
Yeah,
he's got to be a pretty big deal. I don't
he
personally.
is. Yeah,
I
he
don't
is. I
know
guess.
who he is. I don't have an opinion, good, bad, or indifferent. I need to. I guess maybe I'm living under a rock because I don't really know about him that much. But he's obviously a pretty popular figure on Twitter. But this news, dude.
It's kind
I
of a big
mean,
deal here.
this could be our $64,000 Bitcoin. This could be the sentiment.
Could be.
This could be the little push, right? Is what I say. I said World War III, right? I mean, you got to take that with a grain of salt. But in reality, when you see shit like this going on, you do have to say, well, who knows, man? I mean, I'm not saying I want that to happen. I'm just saying that when you see things like this, you have to understand that the market deals with emotional, psychological people. And let's say some of these bigwigs that have a lot of money start getting freaked out because they say, all right, no, it's getting too risky. I want to pull some money out of the market. It don't take that much, bro. It takes a couple of whales to pull out a little bit, and then you get a drop. Now, would I sell if let's say this blew up a little bit more, or something goes down with this? Would I be selling? Absolutely not. I am not. I'm sorry. And I don't think you should either, especially if you're in crypto. But I'm just saying, be aware of this kind of situation. Don't be scared, but be aware that these are the kind of stories that tend to, can move the stock market a little bit. So they may, in essence, move the crypto market. I don't know. For me, I don't know. I'm not going to get blown out of proportion and say that America's under attack over this or anything crazy because you don't know what's going on. I mean, no one really knows what this will erupt to or evolve to, if anything.
Yeah, we really don't, man. I mean, dude, we've been feeding the Ukrainians weapons, and you know what I'm saying? Like, then the whole NATO thing, it's, yeah, I don't know, man. Just definitely something to keep an eye on here, man, because if things start getting a little more intense, dude, it could absolutely affect the markets. And those are the things that you don't see coming. Like, if you're not paying attention to the news on a daily or checking like these kinds of stories or whatever, like that's a black swan event. That's something that you just don't see coming. That'll just happen. You know what I mean? The investors get spooked and the stock market crashes. But yeah. So we have that, and then the Fed rate, they paused. He said that they were going to. I don't want to get on the Fed rate shit, man. That shit's boring, dude. But the key takeaway here, and there was something I pulled up from it, but I really don't feel like going through all of it. Like, everybody is just talking about the Fed rates. Like, I guess the key takeaway here from the Fed rate thing, man, is that he dropped it from 3 cuts this year to 1 cut. Oh, dude, that reminded me of this tool that I found. I don't know. I just got mixed feelings about that, man. Let's see.
Well, I shot my mouth all week last week, and I said, this is the week. This is the week. This is the week for the breakout. Oh, we're getting rugged. The hell? Hope we're not getting rugged. We still there? We still good?
Yeah, I'm here.
Let me close this out. All right. Yeah. Let me bring this down. Yeah, so I don't know, man. This might not be the week that we go to 84,000, but I'll tell you what, it's getting freaking close, man.
Yeah.
Like, it's getting close. It's got to be. They don't have much more room. Where are you going to go, dude? No one wants to sell right now. Like nobody is. Who the fuck is selling Bitcoin? Oh, I'm going to sell it right now because it's at, 67,000, so I'm going to sell. Like, there's nobody selling. They got to be exhausted at some point, man. There's no more room for the market makers.
Trueflation.com. Yeah, it's trueflation.com, but how come I can't? Oh, enter app. But I'm a fucking moron, dude. Jesus. Oh, let me share my screen. Let me share my screen
here. I got you. This is it, right?
No, I got it right here. So this is cool, man. Like I just found out about this today. This is trueflation.com, and this is a decentralized aggregator keeping track of like inflation and the numbers like that. Because
Oh, this is
apparently,
Web3 shit.
yeah,
This is
dude,
Web3 doing it?
yeah, you can
Cool.
sign in right here at the
Oh,
top.
that's dope, dude. I like that.
So this is like it's decentralized. So it's taken like
They're
it's
not going to
supposed to be
lie.
right.
Yeah.
We all know they fudged the numbers, dude. Like, so this is pretty cool here, man. But how come when I pull it up on my phone, it looks different? Anyways, it was showing that it was like 2.3% CPI, and they posted that it was like 3.4%. So I don't know, man. I don't even know where I was fucking going with that. But yeah, anyways, he dropped from 3 cuts to 1 cut. But people are saying if this is like the real inflation number right here, you know what I mean? Then they know about it. Like, are they just trying to keep something from us? Is he just trying to keep the markets cooled off for that much longer? Like, it's something else at play here. You know what I mean?
Well,
Just a little
it's
conspiracy thing.
kind of his job to do that because,
Right.
Biden put
Right.
him in place. Am I wrong? I mean,
Yeah.
look, here's the deal. You got elections coming up, bro.
Somebody put him in place. I don't think it was Biden. He came from the last
Yeah, it might not have
administration, I
been
think.
Biden, but somebody allowed him to stay because
Mm.
they've been chopping heads and rolling heads. So I don't know who put him in place necessarily, but they let him chill. So
Mm.
the thing is, he was a lawyer before he was a freaking economy dude. He was like an attorney. I'm pretty sure is what Powell did before he went into this. Like he was a lawyer. But either way, you got elections coming up, man. They're gonna fudge the numbers even more. It's like they don't want on either side. They don't want the market to go to shit. I mean, I guess new people coming in that want to be president would want the market to look bad, but yeah, I think it's just a bunch of sideways jazz, but
Yeah, they're saying 3 or 1 in 2024 and then 3 or 4 in 2025. So,
bring this one up here. Yeah, so not a whole lot going on, guys. If we go down, we're going to go down to freaking 64 and then maybe peg down to 61 if we get huge bad news. On the bullish side, $83,000 for Bitcoin. So if you just want to sum up this whole FUD of the week, we're still going sideways, but the upside looks way better than the downside, even still. I mean,
yeah.
that's just a fact.
Yeah, I think the lowest that Solana could go, I mean, I'm looking around like 138, 130, something like that, that I think it could go to. Ethereum, what did we say, Siri? We said the bottom for Ethereum could be like
Yep.
31, anywhere between 32 and 31. Is that what we said? 32, 31, something like that. Bitcoin, if we lose this $67,000 level, then we're going to go to 64, somewhere around there, 64, 65. But yeah, I mean, again, like with everything I'm seeing in the charts, dude, like I don't think it's too much to worry about. If we do go down to that 64 or whatever, like we could just be putting in that right shoulder on the 3-day chart. I mean, that's bullish. You know what I mean? Everything still looks good. We're still intact. We're still headed up. We just got to watch that current level of 66, 67.
So I'm going to bring this up one more time just in case if y'all see this weekly on Bitcoin. This time period is 49 days, so you would actually have to move this side. Can I move just this side? Yeah, I can. So 49 days, bro. Oh, God. Could they bore us to death for 2 more months, bro?
Absolutely,
is
man.
it possible,
Absolutely.
guys? I hate to freaking say it like, oh, sorry, guys.
I mean, dude,
but you know what?
that's consolidation all day, dude.
Go
Like,
ahead and consolidate. But let's shorten this. Let's think positive here, right? Because I want to think positive. Oh, you bastard. There we go. Okay, let me move this. No, that's not what I want. I want to do this. Okay, right there. Right there. So, if we're thinking positive, that's a month, give or take a little bit because of this gap. But let's just say you got another month for the time frame before you hit this ramp. Then we go up here and touch high fives with this guy where we want to go. Keep in mind, this is my Pico top for the market, 275,000 to whatever. I mean, I've been saying that level for God knows how long. A long time I've been eyeing this level, and I do still think it's going to hit. I'm not going to guess when. I'm just going to guess that there's not that much more room here. You already broke out of this. Like, you already broke out of this flagpole right here. There's Crypto Groundhog, yo. Should I answer it on stream? For real? It's Crypto Groundhog, dude. It could be a local top.
Yeah, pick it up. See what he says.
Fuck it. Yo.
What up?
I got you on stream right now. Say what's up to the people.
What's
What up, dude?
Do you think this is the top? Real quick.
I think it's going to keep going up more.
Is this a local top
There we
or
go,
what?
man. There we go.
So I think it's just going to keep rising up. I'll be honest.
Oh,
I don't see
shit.
it going down at all. I was hoping it goes down so I can buy more.
Now that's my boy.
There you go, man. There you
That's
go.
my boy.
Definitely
That's
not
what we
planning
want,
on
bro.
selling for a long time.
Not planning on selling for a long time. You're a smart motherfucker. Hey.
Because you never know. It might just keep constantly rising. If it drops, that's a good thing because then I can buy more. But
Hey, man.
the way it looks in
There
the
you go.
last 3 months, I mean, it just keeps going up and it's stabilizing.
Damn right.
There we go.
Train my boy right.
You heard it here first, guys. All right, thanks for tuning in, guys. We'll see you next time.
Damn right. Hey, let me hit you back up right when we're done. We're almost done. We got a couple more minutes. All right, yo. Yeah, you know what? That's a good sign. Crypto Groundhog is saying not to sell. That's just confirmation right there because he usually does the local tops, and even he's saying no, we're not at a local top.
Yeah.
So that's good. That's a good sign.
What price is your wrap BTC saying right there? Because I just realized that's wrap BTC and you SDC.
I know it's not exactly BTC. This is lower liquidity with Solana. I know that. But that's only because I can't find the legit one on here.
It's not going to be on there. Yeah,
right, exactly. That's the
it's
closest
not on
one I
there.
could find. So, and I'm not leaving Dex Screener. Bitcoin's just going to have to adapt to Dex Screener because I like Dex Screener. You know how it is. I find something I like, I stick with it.
Yeah.
Look at
nothing wrong
Soul
with that,
Chat, dude. Soul
wrong with
Chat, $2.83. Ain't doing shit. God, that hurts. Pepe. Let's look at Pepe one time because I didn't pull it up. Let's see this. Wow, look at that, bro. Look where we hit. This is the target we said last week. This is the hand right
Is
here.
it?
Look where it hit. Yeah, look at that shit. So that's good. We said it was going to come back down to the heart line. I said that I was going to buy more in when it hit here, and it bounced right here. So that was my chance to buy. Fortunately, I don't have enough dry powder right now to scoop anymore, but this would not be a hideous level. But you can see that little green thing right there. You see it? It's starting to, it's just tiny right there trying to go up. But you could still get a little further down right here. You could get a little more action here. Bitcoin falls, you will get that. So 8 zeros of ETH. What is this? 4 zeros. Dude, this is like twice as early as I got in on Dogecoin in 2020. So Pepe is my mistake, that my revenge trade from Dogecoin when I sold it too early. Pepe is my revenge trade. I'm like, no, I ain't selling this one too early. I'm waiting for this one to go to 7, 8, 9 cents. And I hope it will.
Yeah.
I'm going to say I think or whatever. It's not even listed yet on freaking exchanges, bro.
Like, you're talking about PayPay.
Yeah, it's not even listed on like, I mean, you can get on crypto.com, but it's not even on Coinbase yet, I don't think.
Yeah.
So I heard Cryptos R Us talking about that last week. So think about it. I bought Dogecoin when it had 2 zeros in front of it. Pepe has 4 zeros in front of it still. That's how early. And you know how much money I put into Dogecoin in 2019 on
How
Robinhood?
much?
$50. You know how much it would have been worth if I would have waited? I know you heard this number before.
60,000.
$64,000
I
out
remember.
of $50.
Yeah, man.
Because
That's Duco, dude. That's Duco right now. That's Duco. That's MPC. That's GPU. That's Cook. Make a lot of money, guys. Make a lot of money. You find something that has a good team. Find something that's good.
Hold that shit though. Hold it.
Hold
Don't
it, man.
paper hand it, and don't
hold it through the bear market. But
no, don't hold it down long.
hold it to the top. We'll let you guys know when the top is. I got a sell order on Pepe right now. Was that in when we were on last week on Monday?
What's that?
The sell order. That would have been on.
I'm not
that
sure.
That would have been
but
last Thursday. Last Thursday we got a sell order.
She's gonna drop a little lower though, probably.
Yeah.
If the market keeps rolling over, she'll drop. But look, anywhere from here to here is still the heart line of this pattern, and it's a sweet spot. This is a great buy zone right here, from here to here.
Yeah.
So
this is what I got right here. We're in that rising wedge, and I think when we were talking about it, I think it was right when we. Right here. We got that sell order, and then the targets.
Sell signal.
Yeah.
Yeah. But you know what? Look at where's the money flow? Isn't the money flow on the bottom starting to flip back over?
Money flow is starting to flip back over, and we did hit that first target.
So, does that count for something?
It does.
What does that mean? That means momentum could be swinging.
Yeah, it could. We could be finding the local bottom. I mean, for sure, dude.
Well, that would be a good thing.
100%. I mean, it's starting to curve back over now, but I mean, you know.
So basically what you're saying is we're going sideways for another month.
So I will say this. There's a lot of bearish confluence here. We got the sell order here. We got the trend tracer turn red. We're still in that rising wedge. We're still within that rising wedge. So eventually we're going to break down to that. Smart money flows in the red, and momentum is actually going. It's curving back to go down. I mean, dude, think about Pepe and like all these meme coins. They've been on fire, dude. So we know how they go, dude. When it's time for them to cool off, it's time for them to fucking cool off, dude.
Yeah. Yeah, because you got noobs coming in that bought it, and then they're like, they get freaked out that just came in the market and they just bought it. That happens. That happens a lot. Except for with NPC. NPC just don't care.
So Bitcoin, isn't it like a 20 to 25% on average correction? Or has been in the past?
Up to 30%. Yep.
So that second target there would be about 42%. So I don't know. Maybe it doesn't go that low, but that's from top to bottom though. From this top to the bottom. So we'll see, man. We'll see how that plays out. I want to look at Duco real quick. Damn, dude. To me, dude, that is a good-looking chart, man. That is a good-looking chart. That one's not looking so good either, man. I mean, we haven't gotten a sell signal on it, but it's looking kind of rough, man. We got some bearish divergence here. We could retrace a little bit more on Duco.
Well, it looks like you're hitting that previous resistance. You want to turn it into support right there. You need to.
Yeah, we need to.
But if you fall below that, you got a pretty solid line there where that green line is. I guess that's the trend. Is that the
that's
trend
the trend chaser?
See the trend chaser in the middle though?
Tracer.
The one that's going to the left to the right, the straight one in the middle of your pattern.
Oh, that's one that we put on there last week. That
level right there,
we're holding
is probably. No, I'm saying below that, where the green one is in the middle. Go to the middle of that whole pattern.
Right here.
No. Go to the middle of look at the
right here.
Yeah, that green line. See that?
Mm-hmm.
So if you fall below there, that right there should hold as support. I mean, I don't see you falling below that. So worst case scenario, you fall back down there and bounce. See, that's what I was saying about the zooming in with Bitcoin. All these altcoins are just microscopic versions of Bitcoin, right?
Yeah.
You're just zooming in on what Bitcoin's doing. So if Bitcoin falls to 64, Duco's going to fall down to that green bar. I'm not saying that's what's going to happen. I'm saying more than likely that could and probably will happen. And if it does, that's a hell of a place to scoop it, right? I mean, that's a nice little scoop.
For sure. Yeah, we put this bar there last week. I don't know why. I think it was like a fib number or something, but
is Duco too late to get into right now?
No. Absolutely not, dude.
What's the market cap on it?
Absolutely not. I think it's sitting around like 50 million, dude. It might be less than that now. 50 million. So MPC, GPU, Duco, all of these are under 100 million market cap.
Well, MPC's not. MPC's at 200 million now.
Oh yeah, well, MPC. But Cook is at like 1 million, dude. I think it's under 1 million now.
Yeah, I'm taking a break from Solana shitters. Not saying that Cook is a shitter. I'm just saying I personally, after that Kendrick Lamar shit, dude, I'm on vacation from Solana shitters. That one hurt.
Cook.
That Kendrick one hurt.
Let me see.
Oh, bro, did you do the carrot thing? Everyone's posting all the carrot shit. I haven't had time to check it out. What was that gold coin about with the carrots?
It was a hint to an airdrop for Carrot Coin.
Son of a bitch.
Yeah, this is Cook right here, dude. This is Cook. Dude, this is where we talked about it. Let's see, when did we talk about it? This is the daily. We talked about it on Monday. No, we talked about it last Thursday, dude. So that would have been... Yeah, that would have been on the 6th is when we talked about it. So that was right here, dude. Yeah, this was Cook.
That cup and handle played out. It pumped
bro, and then it shot all the way up here, man. 0.001. A tenth of a penny, right? Yeah. Yeah, and it's still, and now it's under 1 million market cap, dude. $848,000 market cap. It came all the way back down here and just got bought right back up, dude, today. So that is another one, guys. If you're trying to get into a low cap, that is a good one, man. That's a really good one. Is there anything else you want to go over, dude?
Yeah, I'll pull up this just to show the people one more time. Let's pull this one up one more time here. Right here. Right here.
Look, we're having fun with this trade, sharing the screens, man. Like, this is still new to us, guys.
Yeah, it is. It's fun. All right, so this is the little engine that could. I just wanted to point something out real quick. So if you guys would have put in, let's say, 200 or 300 bucks, and I didn't even, by the way, just to let you know, I didn't even put that in. But I'm just saying, if you would have put that in, do you realize with a $200 or $300 investment, if NPC token goes to 10 cents, that's almost $10,000 you'd have made on like a couple $100, legit, a couple $100, like 200, 300 bucks, $10,000.
Let me see something, dude. Go ahead.
So if you do the math on this joker, how hard is this going to be for this thing to get to 50 cents? I don't know, but
I don't know.
I don't know how hard it's going to be to get. Well, what would the market cap go to for that? Let's do the math. Let's do 5-minute math. You're the math
that's what
guy.
I'm about to do. Go ahead.
So how hard would it be for this thing to go to 50 cents?
All right, let's compare it, dude. Hold on.
Well, I mean, just look at the chart, though. Look at the
Yeah, you want to keep making me look at that damn chart.
I do.
Hold on. What do you want to see? All right, so if it goes what?
I just want to see that smoke rolling out your fucking ears because you're like,
I took the chart
I ain't going to buy this thing.
I
told you to buy this thing.
Chart down. All right, what do you want to see it compared to, bro?
I don't know.
We got MPC. Let's compare it to... Let's be realistic here.
All right. Can this thing go to 50 cents? That's all I want to know.
Okay.
Is it possible for this thing to go to 50 cents? Because 50
NPC,
cents is,
I
50
think
cents
so.
is up here, dude. 50 cents is up here, bro. Let me go to holy shit. Holy
No,
shit.
not
50
Brett.
cents.
I want to do NPC.
50 cents is right here, bro. Bam. Okay, that's big though. Hold on, let me.
All right, let's see, man.
So 50 cents.
Oh, you
is
took me
right
back
here.
down?
50 cents
Cool.
is right here. Did I?
Oh, no. I didn't put
Hold on.
myself up.
Hold on.
I'm comparing
this-
market caps. Oh, I'm sorry, dude.
All right,
I'm
let
sorry.
me bring
I'm
this.
sorry. My
Let
bad,
me
dude.
just bring. No, you're good. Let me just bring it to 50 cents. I just want to set the marker there for a second. Okay, bam. That's the 50 cent level. Come on, bro. All right, go ahead. I'm just saying that don't look impossible to me. After what it already did, look at this shit, man. Even if you go down like this, you come down. Right?
Yeah.
Look, what if you do this? What if she falls over, cools off, finally gets that cool off?
Yeah, that's
And then
still not bad, dude.
Still, dude, like you still could do this number here. It could take a while, but you could still cook all the way up to 50 cents easy, right? I mean, but how much market cap would that make it if that happened?
I want to see you measure from the bottom of that, not the first run up, but where you see you topped out. Look to the right, that bottom to the top. Can you measure it
From
with the
here
ruler?
to there?
Yeah, with the ruler.
From here?
Yeah, to the top.
Just to
What
where
is
it's
that?
at now?
What's that percentage?
49,349.
So it doesn't look like that's a big jump, dude. But that's a big jump. That's what it is. What is
It's
it?
monstrous.
What is that?
49,349%.
So that would be a 490x. Is that right? Or would it be 4,090?
It might be 4,090 because you're
So
talking about
1,000 is a
49,003.
Yeah. So 10.
Yeah,
it'd be a
So
49.
that's 100x. That's 100x.
Yeah.
Or
100x.
yeah.
No.
Not 100x, but
It'd be a
49x, like you were saying,
490x.
right?
A 490x.
490x.
So $1 would be worth on 490.
So yeah,
So, all right. So that's what that is.
right.
Now
So if
for
you
it
put
to,
in 300,
yeah. All right. So I'm gonna put this.
if you put in 300, it would be worth.
All right. Let's say you have. Let's compare it to PayPal, right? Because that's 63 cents. So that would put it at a 5 billion market cap. You want to go a little bit lower?
5 billion.
Yeah, that's a lot.
Wait, PayPay's at
That's
what,
a lot.
60 some odd cents? 5 billion to
No.
200
It's
million.
saying it's saying that if non-playable coin were to go to 63 cents, which is a 24x, that's what it would that's what it would be.
What
So
is
that'd be a
this sorcery
24x.
you have pulled up on the screen? What the hell is this thing?
This is compare market cap.
Oh, nice, dude. Way to
So
tell me about this fucking thing.
Let's say so you have
Shit.
$1,000 in non-playable coin and it went to 63 cents. Your profit would be $23,000.
I mean, not life-changing wealth, but God bless it, that's
Still a
pretty
nice
damn
jump,
good,
though.
bro. If you put what, 1,000 in?
Yeah, that would be if you have $1,000 right now in it.
So okay, I got you.
And if it
But
went
that's
to a
at the
5 billion market
Is
cap.
that at the price where it is right now?
No, this is saying that so it's at a $206 million market cap, right?
Yeah.
So for it to go to a 5 billion market cap, it would put the price of NPC at 63 cents, which would be a 24.3x. It's like a 25x. All-time high would put it at a 35x, so 34,000.
Right. Let's go, dude. Let's go, man.
That's a good come up, dude.
Every time I think this thing is gonna tank, like I think I sold 25,000 of them. The one time I sold this thing twice. Right? I sold this thing twice. The first time I sold it was like I sold like 10,000 of them, and then the second time I sold like 25,000 of them. And I regret it.
Now look at Duco, dude.
Look at Duco. Sold that. Let's see Duco.
Duco, 32.9 million market cap. If you had $1,000 and you put it in Duco right now at 32 million market cap, And if it went to a $5 billion market cap, that would be $150,000 profit
God damn.
off of 1,000. So that's what I was
and-
saying, dude. Like, you're not like Duco is early, bro.
All right, so Pepe is early still, right? Or am I just crazy?
Dude,
am I just tripping,
No,
dude?
Pepe's Pepe's like you said, it's not even listed on exchanges, dude.
All right, so we're like too early. We're like buying Polkadot and holding it for 3 years early, right?
Yeah, I mean,
But-
dude, Pepe's not gonna do like. All right, let's do this. Let's do Pepe compared to, let's say it goes to Doge, right? Doge is the number one.
Holy shit. Yeah.
So if Pepe went to Doge's market cap,
20
oh, I need to reverse it.
What?
How do I reverse it?
You probably just have to switch. They should have a reverse
Yeah.
button.
You would think so, man. You would think so.
Wait, what is that little thing on the sidebar? It looks like a little reverse symbol on the left by the house, under the house.
Oh, it is. It is. No, that's just saying
Oh,
compare.
Y'all need to tighten up, man.
Right. What the fuck is this, dude? Come on, guys. All right,
Y'all
let's
need to
compare it
tighten
again.
up. What is this
So-
thing called? Coin compare? What is it? Coin compare?
It's comparemarketcap.com.
Pretty
So
sweet.
for Pepe would do a 4x to get where Dogecoin is right now. And that's not really a lot to ask for. So 1,000 would be 4,000. But all-time highs, it'd be almost an 18x.
So how much would $500 worth of Pepe be? just a random number. I'm just
Yeah, your 500 would be worth
Do-do-do.
8,434. So Duco, man, I'm telling you, dude, I like Duco, man. I like Duco.
not
This
that
is
we
another
endorse
one.
any of these coins, you guys. Buy at your own free will.
Right. I know. Look at us, dude. I never would have
Fucking
thought we'd be over
DJs.
here comparing fucking dog coins.
Well, you get bored.
It's
Bitcoin
bored, man.
decides to move sideways. You're not trading. I just emptied out a liquidity pool. Airdrops. Do we got any airdrop news? Did ZK sink, ZK flop, or what's going on?
Man,
Got busted
dude,
over the head on that joke.
have you seen all the stuff coming out about ZK Sync, dude?
They're trolling the shit out of
It's
it.
showing like, dude, there's just all these transactions that are coming out
I
showing
don't even
that, like,
deserve the
team
airdrop
members.
on ZK Sync, dude. I only used it twice, and I didn't like it that much. I hate
No,
to be like
there's like the team really made out really good, is what I'll say, and then like.
Wow. I'm glad I didn't go crazy on that because something told me to concentrate on Arbitrum. I concentrated on Arbitrum the most.
Well,
out of
listen,
all the airdrops. And
there
I'm
was
thankful
more-
I did.
There was more people. Let me just say this: there's people that were in the beginning from ZK Lite, that were in the light and doing the test nets
Yeah.
for the last 3 years, that didn't get anything, and then there was people that came in the last 3 months that got like mass allocation, dude.
That's kind of
And like that to me, like, I forget me, dude, but like that to me, man, like you gotta reward your early people, dude.
Yeah, that's
I mean,
that's
if you're
not
gonna
cool.
reward anybody, like obviously it's an airdrop, so you don't like, it's not like it's owed to you, but I don't know, man. I just feel like the early people that played around on the test net that at least had, $1,000 in volume, bridge volume, like something, man. Like don't just cancel them out, man. Don't just cancel them out. But they said that they were separating the real users to the bots, and like that's not what happened, dude. That is
All
not
right,
what happened.
that brings a good segue into this real quick.
Mm.
I'm gonna pull this up. Keep that screen up because that's a cool tool. Check this out. This is the DMT chart.
Mhm.
Okay, this is the one that we had pulled up last week. Had a bull flag, had a massive sideways fallen wedge. You had the massive breakout. You got a little bit of a bull flag, a fat boy bull flag on the weekly. This is the weekly chart, y'all. So keep in mind, this is a weekly chart.
Yeah.
Excuse me. But I'll just say, in a shitty week, DMT is still at $131.
That's a
Like-
good buying opportunity, in my opinion.
Like when it was here, I was bitching. I was like, man, it's $100. I ain't buying DMT. $100. I ain't doing, 120 or whatever. Then it came back down here. Nobody wanted to buy it, right? When it was at 49, $50 when it fell to $50. And then I think right on this candle here, it was like going up around like 75. When it was around 75, I bought in. I bought back in here. I said,
Nice.
you know what? If this thing survives 50, like I was looking at this and then I saw this. And then once it got here, I said, okay, you bounced off support, previous resistance right here. You flipped previous resistance,
flipped it,
turned it into support. And right here is where I bought in. And look at it. Boom. I rode that up. I didn't sell, still holding. And I held through this pain. And I'm holding through this pain because it looks like this week ain't done. It's probably going to come back down a little lower. But look at the strength.
Yeah.
At $134, bro. Like $80 million market cap. I don't know. The only thing I heard some complaints about bots on DMT. That's the segue into this segment. You said bots. And somebody told me that there was the potential for some bots that were coming in and watching people's streams, and it drains your freaking, you know how you could tip yourself to keep your stream open for free for people to watch?
Yeah.
So you tip yourself a Larry Fink or a cigarette or whatever, and then these bots come in, and you got to double check. I could be totally off base, dude. But I heard someone say that these bots come in, and then they drain your time. Like your shit will run down quick.
Oh,
okay. You have to tip.
Yeah.
Right. So I don't know, but that's something I'm still kind of keeping my ears perked up about. But I don't really, dude. You got Hunter from freaking Arbitrum that was on this.
Yeah,
thing.
he's a Chad, dude.
Dude, if Hunter was on this thing, I don't see like.
Nah, dude, I'm all for it, man.
I don't think this thing's a scam. I don't think the bot thing is gonna flood it out. I really don't. I think DMT is gonna cook, and it's a hell of a platform, and we will be using it for the alpha streams.
Yeah,
like Chad streams or some shit. We're gonna
do something on it. And again, look at the market cap. It's under 100 million, man.
Under 100 million, bro.
These are some good pickups, dude. These are some great pickups.
This is a good coin. It's a good time to buy it. I mean, yes, could you come down here? Could you wick down to 115?
Buy some more. DCA.
Maybe could you fall here if Bitcoin hits the shitter and DMT goes to $93? Could that happen? It could. Look at the downside. Okay, so you'd go from 130 to 90. So you'd lose $40 if you bought in. But look at the upside potential. If you measure, right?
This thing's going to keep going, dude.
If you measure this and do 5-minute TA and extrapolate this bad boy, I mean, it still kind of hits this line a little bit. It's right around the price target of the hand anyway, which, dude, look how high this is. You think that's not a move? Look at this shit. Look where that's $230.
They could do that in a day, bro.
So,
like, for real.
So I would not sleep on this project, bro. This has actually got utility to it, and it's cool as shit. If you guys haven't used Sanko yet,
check it out.
Get on there and use it. If you already got a Twitter account, just log on. It logs. It creates a wallet. You send your Arbitrum, or as long as you have ETH on Arbitrum, you just copy your wallet address and paste it, and it's pretty dope. It's pretty cool. I was a little hesitant at first because they want you to link up your email and your freaking Twitter and all that shit, and then I'm like, you know what? Hell with it. I mean, but yeah, that's cool. Anything else that you can think of that we need to check on? We've checked on a lot of coins on this one too.
Yeah, I think we're good, man. We covered Bitcoin, we covered Ethereum, a little bit of Solana. We got the MPC, GPU, Cook, Duco.
Say chain. Shout out to the Say fam down here, 44 cents. This is a low bottom. Say and Millie are both down 7% at the same time. That's just another trigger for this thing. I don't know, dude. If we hold this level, we're looking for more sideways. If we go down, we're looking for $64,000 Bitcoin. I'll just wrap it up in a bow with that. If we go down, we're going to 64. If we break 64, we're going to 61. If we go up, our price target has not changed. I think we both agree $83,000 is our breakout target. Like, that's the next breakout. We just don't know when, y'all.
When we get above 72. Right now, man, we need to hold above that 66, 67.
We have to get above 72.
The good news is, man, that would be our third time coming up to hit it. Right now, it looks like we just started another daily candle, so we'll see what it does, man. By the time Monday comes, guys, we'll be able to update you on some stuff. So, yeah, I'm not stressing, man. Everything looks okay. We're still on track, and we're still in an upwards trend, dude. We've had a little deviation, but we're still in an upwards trend. As long as we can hold this level, dude, we'll be okay.
All right, cool deal, man.
Yeah, man.
Let me bring this up. Let's go and wrap it up. We got our Monday morning managers meeting coming up, don't we?
Yeah, guys. Make sure you're tuning in Monday at 11:30, man. We have some fun. We kick the week off and look at some charts and see what we have, for the week ahead, man, and have some fun, dude. Come chat with us, come hang out with us, and we appreciate you guys for tuning in today, man. We really do.
Absolutely.
So, yeah, make sure you guys are following us on all socials at the Crypto Remora. Make sure you're following Siri at Siri Crypto and myself at Crypto MacGyver. Much love to you guys, and until next time, peace out.
Where the hell is it? Still dope that we can have ourselves up on the screen.
Oh man, look at that damn. My
That's
little
old school.
What is it, bro? What is my dude?
RB dudes.
RB dude.
I'm still holding my RB.
That's
dudes.
crazy, bro. That is crazy. All right, brother. I'm gonna go buy me some NPC.
Better get that NPC, man.
Get you some Duco, bro. Get you some Duco.
I
man.
am, dude. I am. I'm gonna trade out some of my freaking margin fi that's never gonna airdrop. I'm gonna take some of that shit out.
There was an update on
Some
that.
Duco.
They're doing some movements, man. We'll talk about it another time. All right, Siri. Peace out, brother.